So we're here in Kingman, and man, Bruce just got a phone call, said look out the window. It's a super windy day, and there's a fire on the mountain. The Breadtruck doesn't have a radiator. We're gonna have to pull it with the bus. This is some scary stuff. Can't see any flames yet, but it's really not that far away. Time to get out of here.
My buddy's moving his bus into position right now. We're gonna haul the Breadtruck out of here with a tow rope. Schoolie to the rescue. Huge fire coming over the mountain. The Breadtruck has no radiator because it's broke down, so the Breadtruck is going to get pulled by a school bus out to safety. Hopefully we can get far enough where it's safe. Pull the radiator out in the middle of the desert, they said. It'll be fun, they said. If you were not aware, I am on TikTok. Follow me at BreadTrucker. That is what this footage is from. In the case of an emergency, what do you record? Do you record YouTube or do you record TikTok? Well, I went with TikTok for some of these shots, so that's what you're seeing here now. If you're on TikTok and you want to see up-to-date, different footage than you see on my YouTube channel, follow me. I'm the BreadTrucker on TikTok. Head over to TikTok and see more quick, more recent updates on the fly.
So here goes Brewster and the Breadtruck.
He's recording it too.
Oh, I'm sure they're all recording it. This is really something. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So we just gotta go get one more van and then we're out of there.
We had a full escort leaving our campsite. This is the view of Ellie behind the Breadtruck. Bruce is in front, and we all had our flashers on. It was a bit of a parade leaving this campsite. A fellow nomad was just down the road at another campsite, and he had to evacuate as well. Wandering Jimmy came to see if we needed any help, and he gave us some rides back and forth, shuffling cars around. So lots of thanks to you, Wandering Jimmy, for being a good member of the community and helping out your fellow van lifers. We really appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by to make sure that we had everything we needed. Right now, we're hauling the Breadtruck over to a Love's truck stop. It's on the opposite side of the highway than the fire is, and we spoke to some hotshots that were here to fight the fire, and they said it would be safe on this side of the highway. So what you're seeing here is the Breadtruck being pulled into a Love's truck stop so that we could stay for the night and have a safe place. And luckily there's a fire station just down the road from where we are as well.
That was nerve-wracking. How you feeling?
Oh, I feel great.
Yeah?
Oh, I feel wonderful.
No adrenaline going at all, right?
Oh, you're still on the phone, Bruce. We were on the phone the whole time so we could talk to each other. This guy's leaving right next to me if you can pull in that spot.
That was some skill.
That was good. It worked out.
That parking spot, the fact that this parking spot was available. The Loves is pretty busy. Everyone's hooking up their trailers and trying to get up there to help the people that are still up there. They're not sure whether or not the firefighters are gonna let them back up, but they're gonna try. It's pretty scary stuff. That's where we were. Smoke is pretty major. Oh, he's driving the Breadtruck without the radiator in it. Didn't even know that was possible. Like a glove. Prescott hot shots.
They're swarming all over this place now. They're coming into the open this fire. You see these Prescott hot shots. Trucks. Oh, they got a full team. Right, that's like a staff carrier. There's a bunch of guys up there.
I just talked to one of them and he said they don't have that much information. They're just arriving, but it's on the other side of the mountains. And I asked him if he thought we were safe here, and he said, yeah, you're good on this side of the interstate. So we made the right choice by coming over here. For now, we just sit and wait.
Bruce.
There's Bruce. Bruce. Current situation, we're thinking we're just gonna stay here for the night at Love's. The fireman I talked to said we'd be good here. Smoke is definitely changing directions though and starting to come closer our direction. It said 600 acres so far since 2 p.m. and right now it's probably 6 o'clock or so. So it's definitely moving real fast, I would think. So that's it. It's been a day, Polly.
It's been quite a day.
You know, it's been a week.
Yeah, it's been a roller coaster ride. Lots of mechanical problems with the bread truck, but we're getting it all done. We're getting it all fixed soon. I mean, Tuesday the radiator will be finished, but for now, we escaped the fire. They're fighting it. We've seen many what are they called? Hot shot crews coming through here on their way to the fire. So they're doing everything they can to get it put out. But the bread truck is to safety. We have arrived at a Love's truck stop, and we're gonna stay here for the night. We should be fine here for at least a day, maybe a couple days. Today's Sunday, and we got to get the radiator on Tuesday. So.
And normally we would just leave. We wouldn't be sitting here. This is not our style, nor or anyone. Like if any, that's kind of like the benefit of being a van lifer is if something's going wrong, you can just leave.
Right.
That's like the greatest thing, that our home is on wheels. Except the downside of being a van lifer is that sometimes your house breaks down.
Sometimes your house breaks down. Yeah.
And we're dealing with both those things at the same time.
Normally we would have turned the key and we would have been miles from here by now, but that's not an option today because the bread truck doesn't have a radiator. So for now, we got ourselves camped out here. We're doing just fine in this parking lot, and the bread truck feels right at home in parking lots, so no problem.
It's a little smoky.
It's a little bit smoky. I can smell some smoke
My
for
eyes
sure.
feel dried out.
Yeah. But on the bright side, we have Subway and Chester's Chicken.
We got all the snacks.
Any snack you could want, energy drinks, whatever.
You know, like when you stay in a hotel and down the hall there's like a vending machine? We have an entire convenience store.
Yeah, we have a store-sized vending machine.
Yeah.
With Gardettos. And okay, well, we're going to get going. We just wanted to post this crazy video about all the things that happened today. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't.
We'll
to
keep you
follow
posted.
Along. Yeah, we'll let you know what happens.
This adventure's not over.
Yeah, we'll let you know what happens with the bread truck once it gets all repaired and we can get back on the road and back to doing what we normally do. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.